good way to start. Okay, no jumping, that's the line. It's meant to sit over the dining room table, that's why it hangs low. Maybe I'll stand like that.
Hey everyone, welcome to our Christmas edition for Cocktails with Wayne and Tom.
Yay! I don't know
You're
what to
practicing
do.
to be the Grinch.
Yeah, I hate Christmas. Look, I don't hate Christmas, I just hate doing stuff for Christmas.
Anyway, you're going to love this.
No.
I'm making a mulled wine martini.
Mold, like mouldy.
Mulled, M-U-L-L-E-D.
You know what? It probably smells like him. Old and mouldy. Okay, why are we making a mulled wine martini?
Because this is Kylie Minogue's drink of choice this Christmas.
I did hear that on an interview. Oh, if Kylie likes it, I love it. Okay, give me it. I love it.
Anyway, so again, quick and easy, except we're going to actually need a few things from the pantry to this time.
Oh, God, I hate going to the pantry. Yeah.
So, what you need is raw caster sugar.
Raw sugar.
Caster sugar.
What does that mean?
Because that's what we're going to be using for rimming.
What do we get to ring? Oh, that's
Why
sugar.
do you always take it into the gutter? Anyway, so we need raw caster sugar. You need...
What happens if you got brown sugar? Or white sugar?
You need raw caster sugar.
That's
show
racist.
you what we're doing.
Yeah.
You need some oranges. You need cinnamon.
Oh, oranges. I know what they are.
Oranges. Cinnamon.
Like Carmen Miranda. Wow.
Some people say I dress too gay, but every day I feel so gay. And when I'm gay, I dress that way. Something wrong with that? No.
This is a Christmas special.
Well, I didn't do that, did I? So that's all about Christmas.
All right, cinnamon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cinnamon. I haven't had any of that since the cinnamon challenge. Did you do that?
You're not. Don't do that. You're going to choke and die. Oh, God. Fresh orange juice.
Oh, like that?
Yep.
Well, why would you have... That's fresh.
Because...
That's bottled.
Because you use that for rimming. Like a 2-year-old child. And then we actually have to juice a whole orange to go into the cocktail.
Okay, alright. What's juicing it in this?
Yeah.
Where did you find that?
In the cupboard.
That's my grandmother's. I told you not to touch that. That's antique.
Like you.
Yeah, but I didn't give you permission to touch it. It's in a special cupboard.
It's a special program.
Oh, okay.
We're using special things.
This was my nana's. Now she's dead. That's all I have to, that's all I have to remember. Okay, when she died, we didn't juice her.
Anyway.
We buried her. Go on.
Alcohol-wise...
Oh, yeah, this is the best bit.
This is about...
Listen to this bit.
So...
Mouldy wine.
Mulled wine. Now, you can be a...
Oh, it's mould. I kept thinking you said mouldy wine.
No, mulled wine. So, you can be a traditionalist and make mulled wine yourself.
Oh, that's that warm stuff.
It takes too long.
And cinnamon sticks?
The recipe, Google it, you can find it, a million recipes.
Hey, that was $10 in Dan Murphy.
Yeah.
Why would you waste your time?
Exactly, it's quicker.
Yeah.
You also need some...
How do you know it's mulled wine? It says Zuckerban by Klubbalaba.
It's Zen for starters.
Zen, which means mouldy.
Win, I think it says.
And
I don't know. Anyway, Dan Murphy's has got it. It's only $10 a bottle. Saves a heap of time. The other thing you need is Rosso Vermouth.
Yeah, that's a bit...
And always a good base, a bit of vodka. Alrighty, now.
It's not vodka, it's mother's milk. Yeah.
Okay. The other
I
thing...
know what, if that did come out of someone's breast, I'd still be breastfeeding. I'd still breastfeed now. How old am I? 22 or something?
Yeah.
Go, move on.
Alright, so the other things you need a couple of bowls to do the rimming, you need a wooden chopping board, a knife and a peeler, and a shaker.
Oh yeah.
So there's a few more things than normal, but hey, it's Christmas, we've all got the time. So, what you've got to do first is grab the caster sugar.
Oh yeah.
And you need to tip that in there, not a heap, just a bit more than that.
Oh, well you said...
Well, you've got to rim the glass. Look at the glass compared to the bottle. That's not enough. Bit more. So basically, it's 2 good handfuls. Alrighty. Then the cinnamon.
Oh, the cinnamon.
You only need a teaspoon.
Do I eat it, drink it, snort
You
it?
put it into there.
Oh, in with that?
In with that. Okay. Now.
How do I mix it? With my finger? Like that?
Well,
Yeah.
more normal people would use a spoon, but this is you.
No, because then at the end you get to lick it.
Alright.
Like rimming.
Okay, now the next thing you need to do in the other bowl is tip in some orange juice.
Oh, as in that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it's pulp free.
Why?
because you don't want the pulp stuck to the glass.
Oh.
You're going to need a bit more than that. Think about the size of your glass rim. It's a big rim.
Could you stop saying rim?
That's what it is.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Right, now what do I do?
Now, what we have to do, and do you need to video this so people at home know what we're doing?
Oh, people don't care, just drink it. This is the hard bit.
Are you
Okay,
sure?
then, no, I'm alright now.
Alright, so what we're doing first is grab your glass, and then you're going to put that into, try and find a bowl or don't have such a big glass, like Pisshead here does.
Yeah, I like a big glass.
Alright, so once you've dipped it in the orange juice,
Yeah.
you then dip it into the sugar.
And that's called rimming, isn't it?
So hopeless.
Oh, sorry, I'm videoing the rimming.
Yeah. Alright, again, make sure it fits. Alright.
You're hopeless.
We want a good lot on there, and this is what it looks like.
Ooh.
Now, we're
Hang
gonna...
on, I've just videoed our ironing board. And you chopped that out, that looks really bad.
And this is what it looks like.
Ooh.
Alright, now, next, in the cocktail shaker,
Oh, this is my job.
you want to ice it.
Oh, a bit scabby on the ice today.
Yeah, well, someone forgot to fill the ice
I
containers up.
hate doing that. Who does that? I hate going to the fridge and you get ice and then they expect you to fill it back up.
Yeah, like any normal human would do.
Oh, and then like he whinges about everything. Oh, you didn't put toilet paper back on the roll. You didn't put ice back in the thing. Like, ugh. Yeah.
Are you finished? Alright, so you can put that to the side, because now what I need you to do is juice an orange.
With my grandmother's juicer.
Yeah.
Be careful because this is electric. Listen, I'll start it up. Oh, okay, no.
Cut an orange.
Yeah. Hey! Don't boss me around when I'm holding deadly weapons.
People are going to go to sleep before you get this.
Like everything in the world, it's blunt. Okay, so I'm doing the juicing. Okay, electric.
Don't squeeze too hard because we don't want any of the pith in there. Or the pulp.
Well, I can't stop pulp coming through. I mean, I know I'm pretty good, but I'm not Jesus Christ.
You think you are.
I think I'm Santa. I'd love to come down some man's chimney. Oh.
Just juice. Alright.
But you said no.
Hold on. Yeah, that's enough.
Is that enough?
So, grab the phone again because we're not going to combine.
Oh, you didn't video me doing that. That was the best bit.
Yeah, no, they saw you do it, trust
That
me.
was the best
wrist
bit.
action was enough.
I know it's sore.
Alright, so what we do
Okay.
first, grab your mulled wine,
Yeah, and don't video the dirty lounge room, but that's okay.
put a big slug of that in,
Of mouldy wine.
of mulled wine. You only want to have a dash of...
That was a splash, not a
Remove?
dash. He has no concept of what's happening.
I know what a splash is. That's a splash. Alrighty, then finally...
Oh, hang on, I stopped the video. No, okay, now I'm back on again. Go.
Now we put...
Oh, look how lovely that juicer is. It's so nice.
And all we do is just give it a good shake. Now, while I'm shaking,
That's my job.
I need you to peel the rind of an orange. Because we want a slither to go into our cocktail.
You want what? So like a twirly?
Yeah, a twirl.
Well, then say twirly.
You don't need a long bit, you only just need a piece to go in there.
No, I want to see it. I want a really long one. I reckon I could win an orange peeling competition. Well, no, I don't think I could win anything.
No. Alright. How are you going?
I haven't finished yet.
It's too thick.
I swear to God, if you complain one more time, you won't make Christmas.
You need a thick piece. Bub, that's way too much.
What's too much?
It's only sitting in your glass. You're not drinking the rind.
See, I can keep going. Look at that.
Yeah, that's good.
Don't touch my rim.
Your rim. I'm not touching your rim, it's your rind.
Oh, well, don't rhyme my rim.
What?
Go away.
We'll get to the cocktail eventually. I honestly.
No, this is really good. People love this shit.
No, they don't.
They do, look.
Why do they love this?
Ta-da! Ta-da!
I have props to you because I feel like it's actually hard to be doing that to get that kind of reaction. So I actually think it's brilliant.
Now look at that and look at the size of the glass.
Yeah, look, that's be nice.
Yeah, no, it won't. Don't you dare.
Look at that. It's perfect. And look, if you've got it's like a scarf, you can wear it out.
Oh,
Like
for
that.
God's sake. All right.
So what am I doing now with that?
Well, that nice little roundy bit there, I just need that halved. You would never get a job at a bar.
Watch this.
No, don't put it in yet. Okay, now you're going to video and then we'll do the pouring.
Don't put it in yet. You didn't say that on our first date, let me tell you that. Okay, hang on.
Alright, are you ready?
I love Christmas, it's so dirty. Yeah.
No, it's you.
Christmas is filthy.
And regardless of whether it's Christmas or not.
Oh, it's nice colour.
Yeah.
Kylie Minogue drinks this. So you tell me. I think he lies. He says that all the time to me. If I don't like something, he goes, Kylie likes it. And then he thinks I'm stupid enough to go, oh, I'll have
Alright, what
that.
have you done with that?
No, there's the thin, nice bit. I went to all that trouble.
And there we have a mulled wine martini.
A mouldy wine martini.
It's not mouldy wine. Have a sip. Don't. I'm going to tell Kylie.
Well, that's really good.
Shock horror. Anyway, guys, thank you again for all your support watching. Have a very safe and Merry Christmas. And we'll see you in the new year.
Don't tell people that. Have fun. Go hard. You know?
Yeah, but do it safely.
Yes, always. If it's not on, it's not on. We've all learnt that.
Drink in moderation.
Drink in moderation.
Alrighty, guys. Have a great Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.